Assalamu alaikum students. Today we learn about phonic sounds. In the last videos we learned about the phonic sounds of ch, sh and e sounds. How to make ch sound? When we write k and h, the sound is ch sound, and when we write s and h, then we make sh sound. And how we make e sound? Make e sounds. Now today we learn about f sound and th and the sound. When we write f and h, then we make f sound, and th make two sounds, the sound and th sound, soft sound th and hard sound the. First we learn about f sound. Which letter is this? P, and this letter is H. When we write P and H, then we make F sound. These are the examples of F sound. These are the examples of F sound. In these words, you can see P make F sounds. Like F on a phone. हम इस तरह नहीं पढ़ेंगे F on a phone. No, phone. F make F sound. F on a phone. F or T or photo. G for graph. Orphan. Telephone. Dolphin. Microphone. Elephant. Trophy and fire. Next one is photography, alphabet and nephew. These are the words of F sound: phone, photo, graph, orphan, telephone, dolphin, microphone, elephant, trophy, sapphire, photography, alphabet and nephew. Next we learn about th sounds. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया है, ठ ह कितनी साउंड्स बनाता है? टू साउंड्स, थ साउंड एंड द साउंड. One sound is soft sound and second sound is hard sound. First one sound is soft th sound. Th make th sound. Th make th sound. Th teeth. Th thick. Nothing. Three. Path. Math. Tooth. Nothing. Nothing. Bath. Moth. Thank. Thought. Depth and north. These are the examples of soft sound th. These are the examples of soft sound th. Next we learn about hard sound of the. जैसे मैंने आपको थ कितनी साउंड बनाता है? टू साउंड. फर्स्ट वन साउंड इज थ साउंड एंड सेकंड वन इज द साउंड. These are the examples of the sound: the, these, the, those, the, this, the, and then. इस तरह नहीं पढ़ेंगे ठ and then. No, ठ make the and then, the and then, the at that, they, their, dear, the mother, the father, the brother, them, with, breathe, feather and toe. In these words, th make hard sound the sound. Which sound? The sound. First we learned about ch sound, sh sound, E sound. In second video we learn f sound and th sound. F make f sound and th make two sound. Which one? Th sound and the sound. In next video we'll learn about other sounds. Thanks for watching.